How to delete all watch later videos on YouTube. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up YouTube, and once you do that, let's navigate to our watch later section. And as you can see right here, I have a lot of videos that are set on watch later. So how can you remove and delete them? Now, as you can see next to each video, there's three dots. If you clicked on them, you will get this list right here, from which you need to click on remove from watch later. And as soon as you do that, you will see that the video has been removed. And you can do the same with all of the videos or any video that you want to remove from your watch later. And keep in mind that as of right now, there's no option for you to delete all of them at once, like in one tap or one click. However, maybe in the future YouTube will give us that option, but as of right now, the only way for you to delete all of the watch later videos is to delete them one by one, as I just showed you right now. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete your watch later videos. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.